My name is Linda. Today I'm going to show you how to make a slug trap, and I call it my no-fail slug trap, from a pop bottle. It can be any kind of a pop bottle or seltzer, anything. You're going to poke a hole in it right above the label. Probably only use a folding knife in your garden because that's probably the only thing that's safe to walk around with. And you're going to use a scissor to cut around at the top of the label. Use that as your guide. Okay. When you get that off, you have essentially a funnel and the rest of the bottle. You turn it around, stick it in there, and staple it in about 4 places. You could possibly use a waterproof tape. I'm not sure if that would hold. But what you want to happen is slugs to go in and not get out. So I stapled it in about 4 or 5 places. It's pretty secure. I'm going to put in some kind of Cory's or any other kind of slug bait that you want. You only need a couple tablespoons. Kind of shake that down. If you have a slug around, you could throw that in there to bait it, but it'll still work even without. If you want to look less tacky, you can cut off the label. And then what you do, what's nice about this is it uses very little poison. It keeps it away from your pets and children. It doesn't get spoiled by rain. Anyway, and then you could tuck it in amongst your flowers. If you tuck it in all the way in, it doesn't even show. The slugs will find it. They'll get trapped in there and they'll eat less of your plants. When it gets nasty looking in here, you can just throw it away in the trash. It costs you about 5 cents plus a couple tablespoons of Cory's. It works really well. We use them all the time. Mostly this is the best size you can use. There's a smaller one that'll work all right, but you don't want the one with the narrow neck. This fat neck is best. Okay. What do you think about that, Sarah?